Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Southern Vista at EM Bypass, and this project is presented by Rajat Group, Primark and Ria, co-developer. You can see this is the personal lawn space of this project, and the greatest advantage of this project is this is situated on EM Bypass. It's a bungalow project, and I will show you a model bungalow of this project. So this is the entry of the model bungalow, and this side, this is the security space and the marketing office. And on entry you can see this is the video door phone. So come inside. So this is the living space, excellently crafted with maximum air and light. This is the living space with provision for TV unit over here. And from this side you can see this is the entry of the bungalow. Beautiful entry. And now come this side. Just beside that you can see this is the study area, just under the staircase. Beautiful utilization of space with this wardrobe. And this is the dining space. Dining space is beautifully crafted with ample light. And this is the first bedroom. Come inside. This is the first bedroom. So again, this is the first bedroom. Beautifully crafted first bedroom. And this is the private lobby space, private lawn, beautifully crafted private lawn. And this is your boundary of this bungalow with this private lawn. And see, this is the wardrobe space, beautifully crafted wardrobe. And come this side again. So just adjacent to the dining space, this is the common toilet area. With separate space for wall mount commode. And now come inside the kitchen space. It's a beautifully crafted kitchen with parallel platform concept, with excellently designed space and granite countertop with chimney hub and all exhaust points. And this side, refrigerator space, counter, and the space for your washing area. And not only that, just adjacent to that, this is the private lawn space. Now we are going upstairs. We are going towards the first floor. So on the first floor, this is the sitting area, or again living room you can say. And this side, this is the TV unit space and a beautifully designed window space, French window. And come this side, this is the first master bedroom or second bedroom. Excellently planned master bedroom with beautiful space utilization And not only that, just see the window space. Separate sitting space will be given on this window, and this side you will be having your TV unit. And the most attractive portion of this bedroom is that this bedroom is having private dressing area. This is the private dressing area with a very big size wardrobe space. And not only that, this is the attached toilet space, beautifully crafted attached toilet space with separate space for bath and a wall mount commode. And now come this side. Again, this is the living space, and this side, this is the second bedroom, master bedroom, or the third bedroom of this bungalow. Beautifully crafted third bedroom or second master bedroom with a square size, a king size bed, and with this you will be having your attached toilet like this. With separate space for bath, wall mount commode. And the most unique part of this apartment is on the first floor you will be having your private terrace like this. This is your private terrace attached with this master bedroom. Beautiful private terrace. Not only that, you will be having a beautiful view of the EM bypass just adjacent to the bungalow. And this side, this is the wardrobe space, beautiful wardrobe space. Now come again, we are going towards the terrace area. So going upstairs again to the terrace. From here you can see the living space, and this is the terrace area of this bungalow. So this is the private terrace, and not only that, with this you will be having another toilet on the terrace, and this is the terrace boundary this side, and this is the common toilet over here, and this is the private terrace space. And this is the beautifully decorated personal lobby space or lawn space. And with this you will be having great view of the EM bypass. As you can see, this is the EM bypass just adjacent to our project. So thank you everybody, thanks for watching. If you are interested, then please call us as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of bungalows left right now, and we are offering some great discounts right now. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.